How to check for responses in Google Forms on your phone. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can easily check for responses of your Google Forms in your phone. So the first thing you want to do is go to docs.google.com/forms and then make sure that you enable desktop site because otherwise you won't be able to see it. Now go ahead and tap on your existing forms that you have published. And once you are inside the form here, you should be able to see something called responses up top. Tap on responses, and then you can see all of the responses to your form. And that's basically it. Now you can just link it to your Google Sheet so that it's easier for you to manage. You can copy the chart and more. Now, if you go to individual, it will show you the question and answer individually. If you go to questions, it's going to show you your questions, and that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.